Today, I am reviewing the Cooper and Hunter 18,000 BTU air conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When evaluating a major appliance like a mini split, the core technology inside the outdoor condenser is what makes or breaks the investment. Cooper and Hunter utilizes an advanced inverter compressor that completely changes how your home is heated and cooled compared to traditional central air systems. Standard systems blast on at full blast, drop the temperature, and then shut completely off, creating annoying temperature swings and massive spikes in electricity usage. This inverter system works much like cruise control on a vehicle. It starts up quickly to reach your desired temperature and then dynamically dials its speed down to maintain that exact comfort level with minimal power. This means you get precise, consistent climate control while drastically reducing your baseline energy consumption. Versatility is another major pillar of this 19.2 SRDA system. It is a true four-season climate solution, functioning flawlessly as both a high-efficiency air conditioner for scorching summer days and a powerful heat pump when winter rolls around. In fact, the advanced engineering allows the outdoor condenser to reliably heat your home even when ambient outdoor temperatures drop all the way down to a freezing 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The indoor wall-mounted air handler is sleek, space-saving, and finished in an attractive matte styling that blends cleanly into modern decor. It mounts high on the wall to distribute airflow evenly across the room, maximizing your comfort zone without taking up a single square inch of valuable floor space. One of the standout additions to this specific bundle is the inclusion of the Cooper and Hunter Smart Kit. This adapter turns your ductless system into a fully connected smart home appliance, allowing you to monitor and control your indoor temperature from absolutely anywhere using your smartphone and the dedicated mobile application. Whether you want to turn on the cooling while driving home from work, adjust the heat from the comfort of your bed, or set up automated comfort schedules throughout the week, the app interface makes it incredibly intuitive. Additionally, the system features specialized functions like a comfortable sleep mode and a silent function that keeps operation whisper quiet, ensuring your sleep is completely undisturbed. From a logistics and packaging standpoint, Cooper and Hunter has put together an incredibly comprehensive bundle to streamline the installation process. The system arrives pre-charged with eco-friendly refrigerant, and the order includes a complete high-grade installation kit. Inside the package, you will find a 16-foot insulated copper line set, a 16-foot communication cable, a 16-foot drainage extension, and all the essential small accessories required for a clean setup. Because of its physical size and heavy commercial weight, this system ships securely via specialized freight delivery right to the nearest accessible point outside your home, and the carrier will coordinate a convenient delivery appointment with you directly. It is absolutely crucial to note that while this system includes the necessary line sets and wiring accessories, it is strictly not a do-it-yourself project. To protect your investment and maintain the validity of your manufacturer warranty, professional installation by a licensed HVAC technician is required. Properly flaring the copper lines, evacuating the system, and connecting the 230-volt electrical supply demands professional tools and expertise. Should your installer ever run into an unexpected technical hurdle during setup, Cooper and Hunter backs this product with free, United States-based technical support to guide them through the process. Ultimately, this Cooper and Hunter 18,000 BTU mini split is a top-tier asset for anyone looking to eliminate hot or cold spots in their home once and for all. By combining a high-performance inverter compressor, smartphone connectivity, extreme quietness, and excellent low-temperature heating capabilities, it delivers an unbeatable blend of modern luxury and long-term energy savings. It is a highly recommended, industrial-grade upgrade that will completely transform the everyday comfort of your home.